Friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to get Roblox Studio on mobile. So guys, first of all open the Chrome browser and search for Roblox. So just go to the Roblox official website. When you reach here, now you have to click on this three dot option and click on desktop site. So it will open the site in desktop mode. So now once you reach here, so because this website supports a desktop, that's why you have to open it in desktop mode. Now once you reach here, make sure you are logged in with your ID and just log in with your username and password. And once you're logged in, now you have to go up and see this option, create option. Just click on this create option. So since the new update, many things have changed. So suppose if you want to do something, if you want to, you can't do everything in this studio. So this is a small studio. Just click on this image and here now click on this menu option, and now you can do basic settings here. Not much, but basic settings, like click on this basic settings, and now you can do basic settings like the name, descriptions and all of the things. And but if you want to get all the features of Roblox Studio, then you have to guys use laptop or PC. But if you want to use Roblox Studio on mobile, then there is a limitation. So you have to use limited features on this. So like suppose if you want to create a game passes, then you have to click on this option, associate items. So now you can create here badges, passes, and here all the developer products, and you can also see many options here. So yeah, so the in mobile guys, there is a limitation and there is a features, limited to the features. So you have to stick to it if you want to use studio on mobile. But if you want to get all the features, then you must have a PC or a laptop to use desktop mode, or Roblox Studio with all the features. So yeah, that's it. I hope you like it. I hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.